어제 yesterday is done. 오늘 today we run. 내일 tomorrow will come. 기억해 요일 every single day. Learn it all the way. Let's learn the Korean week. Start the beat. Monday woryoil, can be beat. Tuesday hwayoil, hit the week. Wednesday suyoil, sweet as can be. Thursday mogyoil, you and me. Friday geumyoil, free to be free. Saturday toyoil, the weekend see. Sunday iryoil, and into 어제 yesterday is done. 오늘 today we run. 내일 tomorrow will come. 기억해 요일 every single day. Learn all the time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suno Korean numbers never slip. 매일 every day. 주말 we can play. Jinandal last month has gone so fast. 이번 달 this month is good to last. 다음 달 next month we make a plan. 작년 last year a memory now. 올해 best year so here. And next year we wonder how. 오늘이면 월 며칠이에요. What is the day today, my friend? Korean vibe we learn till the end. Yoil, woo! Yoil.